the new Flex 3/8 stapler. I actually got this on clearance for $90, so I don't know. I thought these were new, but looks like you can find them for $90. So packaged very nicely. Feels really nice, like a heavy duty stapler. This is just the clip that comes, clip the gun. So I'll put the battery here. Some staples in first. Add some staples. The gun feels really nice though. Like a heavy duty staple gun. Load those up. Got plus and minus symbols on there. Not sure what that means. Got the staple thing there, and let's hope that is ready to go. See what one feels like. Ooh, pack some punch to it. Drive down all the way. Feels like a really nice gun though compared to the Ryobi. Put down. First one gave some kick. This one didn't really give much kick. Plus. Not really sure what that is, but nice weight to it. And yeah, I like the feel of it. Nice gun. Flex staple. Oh, stapler. Easy to use.